Let us understand how to upload, how to create a logo in how to introduce the logo in Smartforms. So for that, what I'm doing is I'm just going ahead and creating an image here. Image, I'm going to use VA01, and this needs to be created in .bmp bitmap image. Okay, so this is created in the bitmap image. Now we will log in into the SAP system, and we'll go into a transaction code called SE78. SE78. Now in SE78 transaction, we'll have this bitmap images. You just need to double click on the bitmap images. Okay, and here we need to select the color. After selecting the color, we'll click on this import, and here we'll access the file from which we have to actually bring the data, bring that image here. So this is the one, this is the logo, and VA01 is what we have. So we need to allow this, and it's been uploaded, and the name of the logo is VA01. Now that we have uploaded this VA01 logo into the system, I mean like into the SAP system, now from here we have to take it forward into the Smartform. So for that, now we'll log in into the Smartform transaction, and here we are going to create a graphic here. You can also create it from here as well in the image, in the layout itself. We can go for create a graphic, and we can place it here, and then you just need to access that file name VA star. You need to select this color, execute. This is the image that we have, and image resolution I'm giving it as 100. If you feel that it is bigger, you can give higher resolution. Let's say if you give 200, it will become smaller. If you have 50 resolution, you'll get bigger. So you can see that this is becoming bigger than the the page. So what I'll do is I'll make this as 150. So if I make the resolution bigger, it becomes smaller, and I can just adjust it. So this facility was not available in our script concept, because in script concept you'll not be able to see the image like this. Okay, now here going forward, we'll just save this. Okay, so here this is done, and we'll just activate it. And we can see this in the output here, in the preview here as well, and obviously in the program as well. So we can go ahead and check this out in the program as well. Meanwhile, I'll start putting the DC38 and check this from the program as well. Let's check the print preview of it. So we have got the output and the logo also has come. Okay, and necessarily we need to have the logo in the form of .bmp file. Okay, you cannot have any other type of image. It doesn't work. That's something which we need to take care of. Okay, and the transaction code that we have used is SE78.